Hello, it's Gibson Goodrich here from Zap Coders, and today I am going to be giving a little bit of a progress update on the current state of the game. This summer has been pretty hard for me. I can't get into all the details, but I have not been working on the game that much at all. The team has been just kind of waiting for me, and it's been really rough. But past couple weeks have been a lot better, and I have gotten some work done that was much needed. So this is what the game looked like before everything happened this summer. And as you can see, it's a lot of stuff, and it's very messy. So I've one of the hardest parts about making this game has been the fact that it's so messy, and I set it up that way back in sixth grade, maybe. I can't say that. The grade above sixth grade, and I just did not do a very good job of organizing everything. And you can see I did try to eventually I did get to some organization, and some of this is all divided into folders. It's nice, but it's just not, I did not do the best job. I've got prefabs, those were newer, they weren't there when I first started. Scripts, oh my gosh, the code here is an absolute mess, barely any comments about what all this stuff does. And when you go to the actual, like, here, the actual enemies, it is, like, it's atrocious. It's so bad. Like, I don't even know what half of this stuff does. Some of it's just from code that used to do something, but it's no longer needed. I just don't want to remove it because I don't know if it's going to break it. So it is a mess. And I really needed to do something about that so we can finish this game. And I also realized that from playing the game myself and seeing other people's reactions, it's not the most fun to play, which it's not really something you want. You want your game to be fun. So I also have been needing to rework the mechanics. And so yeah, that is what I have been doing recently. This is a rework project. I have imported some of the code as old reference files, so I can take these and rework all of them. And I've been organizing everything. And so it'll take, instead of just having all the code jumbled up into one giant, like, script, I've subdivided sections into different scripts, and they're all called within each other, and it's a lot easier to look at. This looks pretty crazy, but this used to be this multiplied by 9 for every single enemy, and now it's just one of these. So it's because you can call it multiple times through the AI run thread. It's so much nicer to look at. I'm really happy. I've been doing this, and I think it's going to make development so much easier and quicker to do. And so yeah, this scripting, the way I've been doing it, is a lot nicer. And looking at the basic code for the Acloids, it's just like calling one event, which is crazy. It used to be like a whole bunch of jumbled code. Now it's just calling the scripts that call other scripts. A lot easier to follow. I've been messing around with some new plugins that add some new features. Let me see if I can pull that up. I'm not using all of them, but I've been looking into some new save loading stuff. I don't know if I'm going to use the dynamic sound effects, but it's pretty cool. Screen transitions, instead of just like blipping to the next scene, the camera follows into the next scene, which I mean, it's kind of janky, but I'm working on it. I think that'll be something cool, and it'll make it a little flow a little nicer. Um, this was interesting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that to work. Oh yes, blinking like eye blinks. I thought that'd be kind of cool to add. Still haven't added that yet though. The life bar, I've completely redone the HUD, which I will show in a minute. But yes, this is I've completely redone the HUD because from what I've heard, it was very confusing before, and so yeah, less confusing now. And I've also switched back to the adventure mode as the regular scene type. I'm still working on some little bugs with the AI and movement. Actually, I do need to remember I had something that I needed to fix today. Oh, here it is. Okay. Disable this for now. So, yes, yeah, I'm making it a lot easier, or a lot better feeling to play. I've added some animations for the shooting. So it's not just like he's not just like standing there and he's shooting. So like that. Loud. Dude. Turn my volume down. But yes, we've got some new animations. And some little bugs with that. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot more fun to play. Got some slidey feeling, like fast motion. And with the health bar, hold up, I've added some new sound effects for notifying the player when their health is low. And this time it's not nearly as annoying as it was before, or at least I hope it's not. I think it's not. But it'll change color now, and as you can see, that health is now on this side and the energy's on that side. And it's got some new status indicators right here, which is cool. And I'm still working on that because like whenever it refreshes the whole screen, which is not, it's not something I really want it to do. It might have to do that, but I'm working on that. And now the hearts signify how much of like whatever digit is right here in the second digit. Goodness, I'm can't talk that well right now, but the hearts make a lot more sense now. So they go up every 10 digits and go down every 10 digits. And the max health now is 60, although I might change that. And yeah, so when you get down to 10 health, it starts really getting angry with you and playing this. There is some slowdown after workout. I don't know if I'll it's like a feature rather than a bug, but yeah, it does this new effect, which is overlooked by the other. So yeah, that is what I've been working on, and it doesn't seem like that much, but trust me, this is going to be a huge game changer. But yeah, it's gonna be very big for the continued development. Unfortunately, some bad news. We will not be doing cartridge releases. Well, we're planning to do a cartridge release, but the projected timeline for all that, the projected time for the game to be finished, it's all gonna have to be changed. We really really need to get working on some of the actual content soon, and we will be working on the actual content soon. But yeah, it's gonna be finished. It's slowly coming together. This has been very important. It's been very important that I'm doing this. It'll be finished. We are still planning. I'm gonna be attending VCF this year again, and hoping to meet some people there who might be able to help with some software for Steam, for the Steam version, like front end, and we're working on wiki for Zap Coders and Proxima B2, so that's gonna be cool. And I'm hoping to allow for like community development on there too. More information on that later. And I've also set up a GitLab, so I can organize and communicate with the team better, as well as store the files of the game locally. So yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff I've done so far. Sorry for my mumbling and blabbering. I hope, yeah, this is good news. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I've never done this style of video, but I kind of like it. So yeah.